All right, if your pit boss auger is stuck, you're ready to get it fixed quick and fast, you're in the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I was able to clear my jam and get your grill running smooth and running like new. No fluff, just results. All right, let's go ahead and let's dive in. First, I tried the good old screwdriver. This is the simplest approach. I just grabbed a long screwdriver and I started picking at it, carefully working those pellets, trying to push that auger manually to unclog that jam. So there's a ton of pellets that are stuck up in here, and they end up turning into like concrete when the pellets are damp, or when you use, off brands that are not that great, then they end up getting jammed. So I don't recommend cheaping out. Sometimes this works with the screwdriver, sometimes it doesn't. For me, this really didn't work this time, so I'm like, all right, dang it, let's try the next thing. So I went for the compressed air. I spent a good like half an hour just blowing on the inside of the firebox, on the other side of the jam where the auger is, and I try to get as many pellets out so I can get air right into that auger, right? So I can see if I can unloosen it, but it was worth a shot, but it just didn't work. I kept feeding the auger manually with that button, and like I said, this just didn't work. But the next step, this was like my Hail Mary. This is my, all right, this is the last thing I'm going to try before pulling it all apart, This is where the magic happened. I pulled out a small handheld torch, nothing crazy, just enough to warm things up. I gently and slowly just heated the whole entire firebox on the inside and the outside. And this is crucial. You want to heat the whole thing to loosen up all of the pellets, and that way it starts breaking down those hardened pellets that turn into like concrete. So once you do that, then you manually feed the auger. I held the auger down for a good 30 seconds, and you can just see that it started clumping out all those old pellets, and the heat finally did the trick. The auger finally started to move smooth again. Problem solved, man. So there you guys have it. If your pit boss jam is now working, the usual tricks aren't working, give this a try. This will work on a Traeger. It's pretty straightforward, man. It gets right to the point. It'll get you back smoking in no time. So if this video was helpful, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your barbecue.